everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now we are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we will discuss all the details about this accommodation and use and convenience of it, and facilities also. Accommodation. Here is the nearby attractions and the park also. Find lots of reviews and numbers of data. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is outstanding. The room charges facilities of rooms are available and enjoy your stay. There will be one car available online for this hotel along with various maintenance and policies. If you are new on the channel or not subscribed our channel yet, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So much for today. Be safe, be happy.